Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about saving your file as an EPS or PDF document using Illustrator. Here we have 3 artboards, and we're going to come up here to the File menu and do a Save As. The Save As function comes up and it has some options for you, particularly the one we're going to look for is the Format options. These are all vector-based files, so this is designed specifically for vector images. If you want a raster images, you would have to go through the export process. So the save as process will give you the options for a PDF or an EPS vector file, and I'm going to save a PDF first. When I do a PDF, it's automatically defaulted to use all the artboards, but you can choose if you want to use only one specific artboard or if you want to use all of them. In this case, I'm just going to say all of them, and then in one, it's going to say one document with all the multiple pages or artboards. It'll act like a page. And if you start off with the file name with the original file name as the InDesign document, it carries over to the PDF or the EPS file. In this case, I want to just replace the one I've already made. It'll say replace. And in this dialog box, you can pretty much leave it as the Illustrator default. It's perfectly fine. If you're ever in need of the marks and bleeds, you just check the box of which ones you need. Usually it's just all marks and bleeds, so that way you get all the information for how it's going to be trimmed, or the color bars, or the page information to identify it on the PDF. But in this case, I'm just going to leave it off, and I want to say save as PDF. Switching over to the Viewfinder or the Finder menu, I'm going to show here's the PDF I just created here. If I were to quick look into it, there's artboard number 1, artboard number 2, and then artboard number 3. So accurately represents everything that we have created in the work file. Coming back to Illustrator in the work file, this time I'm going to do a Save As. And this time I'm going to switch it to an EPS file. And of course it's going to use the artboards, but at this time I'm only going to say one artboard.